Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a look at Ally Bank, found at https://www.ally.com. Ally is an online-only bank, which means no physical branches. While this might seem limiting to some, it allows Ally to cut overhead costs and pass those savings on to customers in the form of higher interest rates on savings accounts and lower fees. This digital-first approach also means you can access your accounts 24/7 from anywhere with an internet connection, making banking incredibly convenient. Their website and mobile app are designed for ease of use, providing a streamlined experience for managing your finances. Ally offers a full suite of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, CDS, and even investment options. They are a one-stop shop for all your financial needs, eliminating the hassle of juggling multiple banking relationships. Beyond the competitive rates, Ally provides excellent customer service that's readily available through multiple channels, such as phone, email, and secure messaging within the app. This commitment to customer support helps to bridge the gap created by the absence of physical branches. Security is also a top priority for Ally, utilizing advanced encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect your financial information. Choosing a bank is a big decision, and Ally has positioned itself as a modern, accessible option with a focus on customer satisfaction. It's certainly worth considering if you're looking for a digitally focused banking experience with competitive rates and robust features. While the lack of physical locations might not suit everyone, the benefits offered by Ally, such as higher APYs and lower fees, make it an attractive choice for many. If you're looking for a bank that prioritizes digital convenience, Ally is definitely worth exploring. Remember to check out the link in the description for more information and to start exploring Ally Bank for yourself.